That was such a fun meet. My camera ended up overheating towards the end of it, but that was so much fun. I think they said they had every single generation Evo there except for a 1 and a 4. So that was pretty rad. There was actually another 5 there, a white 5, and then another 6, like the dark blue 6. It's funny because the previous owner of that car was actually trying to sell me that one many months ago before I found this one. So yeah, there were some really rad cars at the meetup, and I'm really glad we were able to make it out to it. Also, it was so much fun mobbing with Adam and his TME and mine now, since I have the extreme stripe on the side. We just looked so good together. I forgot that we had put Kumo Tire V720s on his TME, and on my car I have the new V730s. So it was really cool kind of seeing the comparison between both of those tires. The V730s that I have on this car are replacing Kumo Tire's V720 compound, and those are still on Adam's car at the moment. But I had a blast. It was really fun getting to meet a lot of you guys, and hopefully at the next meetup we can have every single gen Evo there. That would be sick. Any excuse to take the Evo out. We actually might be going to the track in a few hours, very last minute. Check out this lineup that we got going at the house right now. It literally looks like we're throwing a block party full of car people. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Looks like today turned into a track day. I'm stoked to be here. Adam's testing the S15 for the first time since the new engine and a few other changes that they made to the car. So stoked for him. Didn't go watch a few laps. For the record, I was considering bringing the Barbie 350Z because my Corvette is not ready to drift right now. But I decided not to, because by the time I went to the warehouse, got the car, and was here ready to drift, I would have had like 30 minutes of track time. And it's actually really busy. You can't see all the cars. Oh, there's one. There's a lot of cars here. So I'm just going to support Adam and hope testing with S15 goes well. And they still just put me to work. In the Evo. This should be fun. I'm gonna definitely ride along passenger for this because I want to be part of this experience. Look at those Kumo tires though, baby. Those V7